Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about remote tasks. Remote tasks is an excellent online platform that offers opportunities for people to earn money by completing various tasks remotely. And using this platform is highly recommended. One of the best things about remote tasks is its user-friendly interface. It's easy to navigate through the website and find available tasks that matches your skill and interests, including data labeling, image annotation, audio transcription, and more. The variety ensures that there's always something for everyone, regardless for expertise. So let's start by clicking here or get started. Let's continue with Google. I'm too lazy to fill up all the information by myself. Next. Oh, I can't allow this. Okay, this is in Arabic. So, welcome to remote tasks. Now, when I said I can't allow this, I allowed for the website to reach my account, but I didn't allow it to reach my profile to see how old I am because it won't accept me. Yes, not till August. So what's your computer RAM? More than 8 gigabytes. Yes, you all said. They are happy for me. So the task instruction provided by remote tasks are clear and concise, making it simple to understand what is expected of you. Additionally, they offer helpful guidelines and examples which can be beneficial and especially for those who are new to certain tasks. So, welcome to introduction, course curriculum starts, introduction to remote tasks. So, if you wanna read, you read. I don't have the time. Getting paid, now that's important. To receive payment, be sure you add payment methods, for example, PayPal, in your remote dashboard, enter your account payment. I will show you later how to add it. How much am I paid? Difficulty, so the payment varies. Now let's set up security, remote security alarm training, continue security again, don't trust, filter, install, don't click on, don't open, verify. Those are the rules. Don't. Yes, understood. Don't use same password. Okay, this is key. I need this one. Use password like this. Okay, if you know my password, you would kick me. Secure 2 of 7. Can I skip everything? So security 37, true or false. You should never install authorized software on your computer. True. Check answer. This is correct. Yes, I'm a good student. Which of the following is considered a strong password? Yes, I saw the password. It's this one. Check. Correct. Your friend is also a tasker. Your friend wants to learn about the tasks you are working on. Can you tell your friend about it? It's a yes, but you should answer no. Okay. I'm genius. You are working on a very cool project and you want to share it on social media, but you are not disclosing any confidential information about the project. Can you post it? I prefer not, but yes, you can. Oh, sorry. I mean, no. Yes, I said no, but I checked yes to see how they will react if I choose the wrong answer. True or false? Fishing. This is fishing? I don't think this is meant to be fishing. Phishing. Email are fake emails that appears to come from a trusted sender. False. Okay, I mean true. I don't even know what are these. Let's look for it. Protect yourself from, I don't know how to read this. So, can they help? Suspicious activity, log in. Next. We are committed to responding to complaint. Yes, yes, yes. Congrats on finishing security training. Intro to the course. Yes, yes, I agree. Yes. Title cinematic stars. I mean semantic. This is the payout. This is everything. Now let's continue. So you learned everything. I mean, you skipped everything. Now you reach the board and you don't know what to do. So Remotasks provide a supportive community of workers. You can connect with other taskers through forums or chats, which is a great way to exchange tips and advice. The platform also has a helpful support team that promptly respond to any inquiries or concern you may have. So this is the last course to complete to return to your tasks. Practice scenario. Please complete the practice scenario 1 on 4. Okay, I shouldn't share this, but I don't know what is this. Training scenario. You will pass this training, you will get 14 plus accuracy or higher. Start. What do we have here? We have trees. Oh, fruit. So what am I looking for? This is another fruit. A leaf. No, this is a leaf. What am I searching for? Please annotate objects in the image. So this is a whole tree, right? No, they don't accept trees. So let's see the brightness, if something changed, the contrast. Is there anything hidden or? So what do we have here? Okay, this is not fruit, but let's look for fruit. What kind of fruitlets? So yes, custom shortcut here. Submit. I don't know what I did, but submit. Okay, they are checking my response. Okay. Okay, your response has 0% accuracy because I didn't know. Take a look. 19 errors out of 19 possible errors. Doesn't belong. So what was I looking for? Okay. I can't restart this. How to fix answers? No, I can't fix answers. Let's go back to the dashboard. Welcome to Remotasks. You can join Slacks and others. Next, 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 next. That's why I shouldn't skip the tutorial, because now I don't know how the website works. So just kidding. So you just complete tasks. It's called Remotasks. You will get paid. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.